It's Bonnie. Oh my gosh, check out what I have. These are the brand new Lush Shower Jellies from the UK. And I actually wish I'd gotten a couple more of them. Um, I was so excited when they landed. I just picked three out because I was like, oh my gosh, they have them. There are actually, I think there's 12 of them. Oh, Coco, come here. Okay, so the first one I'm going to show you guys is called Golden Pear, which I'm actually not even seeing on Lush UK anymore. Oh, there it is. These are between like 13 and $15 American. They're like 9.95 to 10.95 in pounds. But for some reason, like I thought I was getting the smaller ones that they have here in the US. They only have the option to get this size. But holy moly, this smells so amazing. Check out the color on these. I'm going to do sync demos on these, but look at this. Is this not like completely fun? I absolutely love the shower jellies. And this one, Coco, come here, is really gold and it does smell very peary. So that one is Coco, come here. Come here. I have a chihuahua, and you know when Coco barks, so she goes. The next one I got is called Twilight. Now, Twilight is really cool. This one is actually, what does this have in it? It has carrageenan extract. I'm sure I completely screwed that up. Lavender flower infusion. And it's this really neat, holy cow, you gotta go see this. This is amazing. Plop this one. Look at the colors on this one. Is this not like completely cool for a shower gel? Like I said, I'm gonna do a sync demo on these for you guys. Oh, this one smells just like lavender. This one is nice. I really like the Twilight one. Okay, and these are actually good until April of 2020. So they're good for a year, which is good. Okay. The last one that I got is I got the Sweetie Pie. And Sweetie Pie is actually black currant. Oh, look how pretty this one is. Oh, wow, this one smells so amazing. Look at these colors. I'm gonna like cut one of these open too to see what they look like. Look at these though. They wobble. These are so much fun. And you kind of just use it like in the shower as a bar of like wiggly soap. But these are awesome. They're actually kind of good to be in the large size because then you can just like shove them back in there when you're done and then reuse them. But how cool is it that that has silver on it? So anyway, these things are absolutely awesome. They also have, as part of the collection, they have Plum Rain, Yognog for people who love that scent, Yummy Mummy, which I'm not actually crazy about the Yummy Mummy scent. I've had that in the shower gel, and for some reason that is really strong. It definitely smells, it's a unique, it's supposed to be fresh strawberries and orange, but I don't know, that's an odd scent for me. It always has been the Yummy Mummy. They have Yuzu and Cocoa, 29 High Street, which is, what's the 29 High Street? Citrus Floral, which is pretty cool. It's got jasmine in it. They've got the Calicos? What is that one? That one is lime. It's bright green. Deep Sleep, which they've had for a while. The Golden Pear, which I have, and the Twilight, which I showed you. So, like I said, these are not available in the US right now. They are only available in at Lush UK. You can go to Lush UK and order. The shipping's pretty reasonable, but oh my gosh, these are so amazing. So between the new shower jellies and the new bath bombs coming, you know, I just might as well just throw my wallet out the window. But anyway, totally excited. Also, just to let you know, in this order, I also got apparently they had a Goddess soap bar. I wanted to try this. This is the one, they have a bath bomb called Goddess. but this smells really strong, but I just wanted to try that. And then I also got one of the knot wraps. My mother loves to collect the knot wraps. Isn't this pretty? It's like all silky. I love the knot wraps. These are gorgeous. So I did get a knot wrap in that collection. So anyway, can't believe the Lush Shower Jellies are here. I will demo these in the sink so you can see how cool they are. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button because I got more Lush coming. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.